Today I want to review for you the enhanced version of the La Roche-Posay Lipikar Balm AP Plus. Intense Repair Body Lotion for dry skin. It's body cream. It's got shea butter in it, niacinamide. It is a fantastic moisturizer, and it truly does, I'm going to tell you, 48 hours of moisture. You'll be able to feel this product on your skin. I do. I feel it for at least 2 days. It is a triple repair moisturizing cream, lipid replenishing up to 48-hour hydration. It is suitable for babies up to adults, is what it says. The La Roche-Posay brand has always been one of my favorites. It has got just great ingredients. I love it. I use it right after my bath every night, and it just really sinks in and locks in that moisture that we need all year round, but especially in the wintertime. I especially need it in the wintertime. So if you've not checked this out yet, you need to check it out. It's the La Roche-Posay. It is the enhanced version, triple repair moisturizing cream. Put it in your cart today.